to solve this, we use distributive property first. X and x, we have x squared, and x times negative 5 is negative 5x is equal to 36. Then we use addition property of equality, or getting the inverse of this to make the equation equal to 0, negative 36. Make sure to add it on both sides of the equation. So we have x squared minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now, this is already in the standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Standard form of a quadratic equation. After this, we are going to find the solutions of this equation. So, let us try factoring. So, let's have the factors of negative 36. It can be negative 9 times 4 or negative 4 times 9. Then we get the sum of these two. Negative 9 times plus 4 is negative 5. Negative 4 plus 9 is positive 5. Now, our middle term, or our second term, is negative 5. So, we take this. The factors that we're looking for are negative 9 and positive 4. So, we write this as factors of binomials. The square root of x squared is x on both sides, both factors. And we have negative 9 and positive 4 equals to 0. Then we solve each linear equal to 0. We have x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have add on both sides. So x is equal to 9. This is cancelled. So we have subtract by 4 on both sides to make this equal to 0. So we have x is equal to negative 4. So the solutions for this given equation are positive 9 and negative 4. That's it. The quantity of x plus 6 squared is equal to 9. So first, we use the extracting of roots of, we use the square root, square both sides. So this will be only x plus 6 is equal to the square root of 9, which is positive and negative 3. And then we put this on the other side of the equation using addition property, or getting the inverse of 6. So we have here plus and minus on both sides of the equation, minus 6. So we now have x is equal to positive and negative 3 minus 6. So let's separate. We have x is equal to positive 3 minus 6 and x is equal to negative 3 minus 6. This is now x is equal to negative 3. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. So we have x is equal to negative 9. So these are the two solutions for this given equation. Okay. Okay, for our next given, this is x squared plus 2 is equal to x plus 5. So first is we need to write this equation into a standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. So this should be equal to 0 and all the values should be on the left side of the equation. So we subtract x here and we subtract 5 to make this equal to 0. Now we are going to write this as a trinomial, which is x squared minus x, positive 2 and negative 5 is equal to negative 3. So this is now our equation, x squared minus x minus 3. Now let us find the solutions of this given equation. So let's first identify the A, B, and C. Let's use quadratic formula. A is 1, B is negative 1, and C is equal to negative 3. So the formula for quadratic equation, or quadratic formula rather, is negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so let's substitute the values of a, b, and c in our equation. So let's have now x is equal to negative 1 plus and minus the square root of our b is negative 1 squared minus 4, the value of a 1, and the value of c negative 3 over 2 times 1. So we have to simplify. Negative makes positive 1 plus and minus the square root of negative 1 squared is positive 1. Negative times positive is negative times negative is positive. So this is now positive. 4 plus 1, 4 times 1 times 3 is 12 over 2. So we now have to simplify that. X is equal to 1 plus and minus the square root of 1 plus 12 is 13 over 2. So let's rewrite this into 2. So we have x is equal to 1 plus square root of 13 over 2. And the other solution is 1 minus the square root of 13 over 2. So we have two solutions for the given equation. So we have the standard form of the equation of a quadratic equation and the two solutions of the given equation.